Good morning, students. It's our next topic of chapter number 5, Legislature, the parliamentary procedures. Means the rules and the formalities observed for the proper transition of business of a house and work of a house, including the various following steps. Means step by step, the parliament follow all the procedures. In these steps, the first one is summoning of the house. The president from time to time summons each of the parliament, means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. When he thinks that he have to talk or discuss, he have to listen the debates, he have to give his recommendation in the house, then he time to time handle or attend the meeting or call the meeting of the house. President's address. The president addresses the joint sitting of both the houses, Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha of the parliament after every general elections and the beginning of the year, calls the budget session. Motion of thanks. Motion of thanks is a vote of thanks. It is a type of vote of thanks on the speech of president. If a government loses it, it has to resign. Means if the government lost the elections, means after completing the 5 years, or if the president loses no confidence, then he has to resign. Question hour. It consists of started, unstarted, or a short notice questions requiring oral, written, or urgent reply by ministers to questions of parliamentaries. Means the other members of the parliament, the MPs, ask the questions to the running government or to the any other department. 0 hours. It begins from 12 o'clock in the afternoon after the question hour and goes on for an hour when members raise all types of questions without notice at times when embarrassing the government. Adjournment motion or session, it disrupts the normal business of the house. It proposes that the house should take up the basic considerations of an issue of urgent public importance, settling all these other issues. Cut motion is a proposal for a rejection of a demand of grant in the budget under considerations. No confidence motion, it is really very important. It moves by the opposition in Lok Sabha when a government has to prove its majority in the House. Censor motion, it is based on the certain issues and criticism, means it criticizes the government on specific policies on issues. Adjournment, it means the suspension of the sitting of the house, while the adjournment means the end of the session house. The proposal of legislation. Here, the legislation or the legislative proposals come in the form of a bill, means a bill drafted or proposed by the ordinary house members, by the means the from the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both by the side of both the houses. Or house is a private members bill, while a bill proposed by the minister is called the government bill. Similarly, bills dealing with the general issues are called public bills, while the bills dealing with a person or corporation or an institution are called the private bills. Bill dealing with the taxation, revenue, expenditure, audit are classified as the money bill, and dealing with the general issues are called the non-money or ordinary bill. Now, what is the procedure for the ordinary bill or money bills? Means how they presented in parliament. Then what is the process that a bill become a rule, a law, or we can say that it is passed in parliament? The first reading, second reading, then the committee stage, then the report stage, the third reading, passage by the other house, then the president's assent, then special stages. These are the basic procedures. Now, the first reading in this step, the mover introduced the bill stating its main features. This is called the first reading, means a bill can be presented in both the houses, by both the houses, and the person who present the bill, he uh, explain the terms, he explained about the bill. In the second, it is fixed date, there is a general discussion on that bill. The bill is then referred to select committee. Then the committee examines the bill thoroughly, clause by clause, step by step. The committee read and give its report, then draft a report on it. After the committee suggests the clauses or the step by step consideration of the bill, each clause and amendment is put to vote. Now the third reading, it is the stage restricted or debate take place in the bill, after which bill is sent to the other house. Means either members of the parliament or the house, they debate on discussions on the particular bill. Now the second house follow the same procedure, that presentation of bill, the debates and discussions now for the voting of the bill. Then the next house can pass the bill or send back the bill for the recommendation, for few recommendations. If the house passed the bill, then the bill presented in front of president for his or her essence. And for president, also having few options, that president give his or her initial on that, or send back with some recommendations, and keep the bill in his or her pocket. Now the special stages, joint sitting of both the houses in case of deadlock on a particular bill. The president summon the meeting sitting of the house, both the houses proceed over by the speaker. If at a joint session or sitting, the bill is passed by the two-third majority of the present and voting, it is deemed by pass by both the houses. Three bills like the Dovry Prohibition Bill of 1961, the Banking Service Commission Repeal Bill in 1978, and the uh, Prevention of Terrorism Bill of 2002 is passed in these type of joint sitting of both the houses. Now the procedure of money bill. Uh, Money bill deals with the imposition, abolition, and alternation of any taxes, regulation of governing borrowing of money, fund related, all the uh, thoughts and debates are included in these money bills. The procedure of money bill is that such a bill is not introduced in Rajya Sabha. Only Lok Sabha introduce the bill. Or the money bill when goes to Rajya Sabha, which has to return it within 14 days along with its recommendations. After 14 days, it will be automatically passed. Even if the Lok Sabha does not accept the recommendation of Rajya Sabha, the bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses. The president has to grant his assent on money bill. Same like if the president rejected it or means keep it on his table for 14 days only, on the 15 days the bill will automatically consider as passed.